to start our demonstration of the 1931 Firetruck here. This Firetruck was purchased by the San Diego and Arizona Eastern Railway for use at Jacumba, which is about 30 miles east of our location. And it was there to protect the wooden trestles and wood-lined tunnels in Carrizo Gorge. Now you can imagine with the desert railroad, there's a potential for fire from steam locomotives and brake shoes throwing sparks. So this truck's job was to protect that gorge from any potential sources of ignition. It has a 250-gallon water tank on it, and the way that it pumps that water is it has a power takeoff from the engine, which runs a positive displacement pump. That pump will pump this whole tank empty in about 15 or 20 minutes. It also has a feature to attach a hose and drop that into a nearby pond or lake or stream. So what I'll be doing here to get this started is we start the engine, we engage the power takeoff for the pump, and once that's going, we have to run the engine up to a fairly high RPM in order to build enough pressure for the pump to function properly. There's a hand-operated throttle lever on this, so I don't have to just leave my foot on the gas pedal. Once I get the pressure up high enough, it'll pop the safety valves to get water flowing. Then I can open the valve right up top here to get water going through the hose. That's open. That will bring the engine RPM up.